Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. I'm going to start up our 83 Blazer here for you. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. Horn doesn't work. Missing the radio, as you can see. There's your wipers. Needs a blade over on that side. No windows or locks. Runs good. Rancho lift on it. No, I should say Rancho shocks. I don't know if it's lifted. Maybe lifted a little bit. Supposedly a 383 stroker in it. There's your original sticker. I mean, you can tell it runs good. Air isn't hooked up on it. Well, it's actually hooked up, but there's no belt on it. So it's all complete, but I'm guessing that compressor's bad. It's got a little bit of thump to it, Edelbrock carburetor on it. Headlights. Looks like, there we go. Sometimes a connection on them. Pretty solid Blazer, come out of Wyoming. Runs good. Dome light works. Got dual exhaust. You can see your gas gauge works. Your aftermarket temp gauge, it's cold, so hasn't come up yet. Oh, and the rear window. I'm probably there. You can hear it. So that works. So everything except for the horn. Any questions? 605-695-7391.